Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to backup and restore your WordPress website manually from the cPanel. You need to download all the files and databases to create a backup of your website. So go to your cPanel, then open File Manager and phpMyAdmin in a new tab. Then go to your File Manager and select the root folder of your domain. Normally public_html is the root folder of a domain, but I am using an add-on domain, so root folder of my domain is siddharthgiri.com. Now right click on the wp-config.php file and view this file to see the name of your database. As you can see, this is the database name. You need to backup all the data from this database. So go to the phpMyAdmin and select the database. In my case, this is the correct database. As you can see, both names are same. Click this to select the database. Now to confirm again, select wp_options. You will see your domain name, which means you are going to backup the correct database. Now click on the database to select the database. Now go to the export option and click go to export your database. Then it will take few minutes depending on the size of your database. Now select the database again. I am going to delete all the database to show you what happens when you delete the database of your website, but do not try it on your website. Scroll down to the bottom and click check all to select all the files. Now click on the drop down and click drop and click yes to delete all the database. Now go to your website and refresh this page. You will see WordPress installation window, but we don't want to install the WordPress. Now go to the file manager and make sure you are on the root folder of your domain. Then click select all to select all the files. Now click on the compress, or you can also right click on any folder or any file, then click compress. Then select the compression type. Now click compress file. It will create a zip file in few minutes. Now click close and you will see a zip file. If you cannot see a zip file, then click reload to see the files. Now right click on this file and download it. It will take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. You can also use FTP, but FTP will not allow you to create a compressed zip file. FTP will download all the files separately, and you have to put all the files inside a folder and compress it to make a zip file. So it's better to use File Manager. After downloading the file, I am going to delete all the database, but do not try it on your website. Select all the files again and delete all the files. And select this to skip the trash and permanently delete the files, and click confirm. Now go to your website and refresh this page. Now you don't have WordPress files inside the root folder of your domain. That's why you are getting not found error. Remove wp-admin from your domain and refresh this page again. And this time you will see index off, which means you have successfully removed all the files. But you have the backup file, so you can backup it easily. Now I will show you how you can backup the files. So go to the file manager again. Select the root folder of your domain. Click on the upload. Click select file. Now choose the backup file which you have downloaded and click open. It will take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. After uploading the file, close this tab and click reload to refresh this page. Now right click on the zip file and extract it. Now click extract file. Now close this window and delete this zip file. Now go to your website and refresh this page. This time again you will see WordPress installation page, but we don't want to install WordPress now. So go to the phpMyAdmin tab and select the database, and this time click on the import. Click choose file, then select the database file which you have downloaded in the previous step and click open. Then scroll down to the bottom and click go to import the database files. It will take few minutes depending on the size of your database. Now go to your website and refresh this page. This time you will see WordPress is already installed message. So remove wp-admin from the website name and refresh the page again. This time your website will load. So this is how you can backup and restore your WordPress website manually from the cPanel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.